In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Namecheap email to Gmail. If you want to manage everything from your Gmail inbox while still using your Namecheap email address, this setup is a simple and practical solution. The basic idea is that you'll forward incoming messages from your Namecheap email account to Gmail, and then you'll configure Gmail so you can also send messages using that same Namecheap address. That way, you can receive and reply from one place without constantly switching between platforms. To get started, log into your Namecheap cPanel or your private email webmail account, depending on how your email is hosted. Once you're in, look for the email settings area. If you're using cPanel, go to email and then open forwarders. If you're using the webmail interface instead, go into settings and find the forwarding related options there. The exact layout may look a little different depending on your account type, but the goal is the same. You want to create a mail forwarder. Now add a forwarder so that all incoming messages sent to your Namecheap email address are automatically delivered to your personal Gmail address. Be careful when entering the Gmail address here, since even a small typo will prevent messages from arriving properly. After saving the forwarder, future emails sent to your Namecheap inbox should begin appearing in Gmail, which makes day-to-day email management much easier. At this point, receiving email is handled, but if you also want to send messages from Gmail using your Namecheap address, there's one more setup step. Open Gmail and go to Settings, then Accounts and Import. From there, choose Add another email address. This allows Gmail to send outgoing messages on behalf of your Namecheap mailbox, so recipients will see your custom address instead of your Gmail address. When prompted, enter your Namecheap email address and then use the correct SMTP settings for Namecheap. Use port 465 and SSL. As specified, Gmail will use these outgoing mail server details to authenticate and send messages securely through your Namecheap email account. Make sure the information is entered exactly as required, because SMTP settings are what determine whether outgoing mail works correctly. Once everything is saved, Gmail may ask you to verify ownership of the email address before completing the setup. After that, you should be able to receive forwarded messages in Gmail and send emails from Gmail using your Namecheap address. This creates a much smoother workflow and helps you keep both personal convenience and professional branding in one place.